tonight, we will move to the next topic in line with creative creative problem solving and decision making. So, dahil ito ay Leadership Monday, we're looking at problem solving and decision making from the lens of a leader. No? So whether you're a team leader, a department head, an owner of the company, or in your organization, you consider yourself a leader. No? Ano ba ang dapat mong ginagawa when there's a problem? So there are a number of things that I would like to recommend. Actually, apat ito, and then there are tips. No? Unang-una is maintaining transparency. Second is breaking down silos. Demonstrating open-mindedness and adapting a method. So yun yung apat na pag-uusapan natin. Let's start with maintaining transparency.